My name is Paul Brandeis. I'm the president of Marble and Granite Care Products. Right now we're in a typical granite kitchen. We sell kits that include either a Craftsman machine, light duty machine, or the professional Porter cable heavy duty machine, variable speed, electronic variable speed. The first pad you see is called an ultimate buffing pad. It will go on either one of these machines. The Velcro backing on the machine, the pad will attach to that. We're introducing to our customers these next 4 pads are of a microfiber. They do an excellent job with buffing. The one that is black and white, if you will, does a very nice job with cleaning. So if you wanted to use a machine real quick to speed up the cleaning portion of the granite, you can put one of those on a machine, and that will really speed up the cleaning process prior to buffing. This yellow pad fits inside your hand, if you will, has a little pouch, and if you wanted to just do hand buffing, not purchase a machine, that does a great job with just hand buffing. We're going to get started with the refinishing, or we'll call this the maintenance of the granite. We get started using the NutriClean. We're going to wash down the granite top with it. We're going to dry it afterward. We're going to go to the Granite Guard Protector SB, solvent-based penetrating impregnating sealant. We're going to give it a nice medium to a heavy coat of the sealer. We're going to let it penetrate for a half hour. And then after that, we're going to be using the Granite Polish and Protector. And you're going to notice we're going to only be doing a 1 foot by a 2 foot section maximum. There's a high concentration of carnauba wax built into the formulation of that product, and it sets up very quickly, and we want to make it manageable when we want to do the buffing of that product. That's why we do small areas at a time. Dave's going to get started with the NutriClean. We're just going to work on a smaller area. And we're going to take one of the polishing pads, and it does a real nice job. If there's any surface dirt, it will take it right off. It's always best to go in a circular motion. And this is a very quick process. This granite island, from start to finish, should only take about 10 minutes to do. You want to give it 30 minutes for the sealer to penetrate. He's using a damp sponge with clean water just to take off the solution. Get some paper towels and dry it prior to sealing it. You want the stone to be nice and dry prior to sealing. The next step is to seal it with the Granite Guard Protector SB. We've already poured some into our container, which has a piece of terry cloth in it. And we're going to give it a moderate to heavy coat, and we're going to allow it to penetrate for about 30 minutes. Right now, it's a little bit more than 30 minutes since we've applied the sealer, and what we're going to do next is polish it with the Granite Polish and Protector. We're going to remove the center of one of the pads and use that as an applicator to apply the Granite Polish and Protector. We only want to use a very light coat. We're only going to work on about a 1 foot by 2 foot area. Immediately after we apply it, we remove all the residue with paper towels. And we have some options now. We can either polish by hand. The other option we have is we can use a machine with one of the ultimate polishing pads, and we're going to keep the machine on a number 3 speed. The other option we have is to use one of the micro mesh polishing discs. This micro mesh does a little bit better job polishing than the ultimate polishing pad. This is what ultimately we're looking for when we finish polishing the granite. What we're focusing on are the ceiling lights, and we have a real mirror image coming off of the granite surface. If there was any distortion, we could repolish, and good chance it would come out. But right here, Dave did an excellent job, and as you can see, it's highly polished, very clear. And I see no distortion, and ultimately that's what we want.